you have a senior citizen employee, you can deduct 15% additional compensation. So what is a special allowable deduction? Ito, FYI lang din sa atin, kasi hindi porke may deduction ka, yun na lang siya. Meron naman yung deduction na pwede mo pang dagdagan kapag meron kang empleyado na senior citizen. If you have a senior citizen employee, you can deduct 15% additional compensation. So let's say for example, ang senior citizen employee, ang total na expense mo or salary expense niya ay 300,000. So aside from 300,000, we can claim additional 15% or 45,000. Next, if you have PWD employees, you can claim also additional 25%. So assuming ang sahod ng PWD ay 100,000, you will give 25% additional compensation, total of 25,000. Next, 50% additional deduction for facilities improvement for PWD. So halimbawa, yung business mo, gusto mong gawing PWD friendly, you created a ramp. So yung repair expense doon, pwede ka pang makaklaim ng additional 50%. So therefore, for itemized deduction, we can claim additional deduction, and at the same time, there could be limits. And if ever you create a rooming in and breastfeeding, additional 100%. So halimbawa doon sa business mo, gumawa ka ng sariling kwarto doon for rooming in and breastfeeding purposes, you can claim 100% additional deduction on the repairs.